Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of sticky ideas with Chip and Dan Heath's best-selling book, Made to Stick. Have you ever wondered why some ideas thrive and others just fade away? This video will explore the secrets behind making your ideas memorable, understandable, and impactful. Let's unlock the principles that can turn your ideas into something truly unforgettable. The Heath brothers introduce us to the Success Framework, a powerful set of 6 principles designed to help you create sticky ideas. This acronym stands for Simple, Unexpected, Concrete, Credible, Emotional, and Stories. Each of these principles plays a critical role in how ideas are communicated and remembered. First up is simplicity. The key here is to focus on the core of your idea. Strip away all the non-essential elements to reveal its essence. The more straightforward your message, the easier it is for others to grasp and retain. Remember, less is often more. Next is unexpectedness. To capture attention, your idea needs an element of surprise. Startling your audience not only grabs their attention but keeps them engaged. Generate curiosity by presenting your message in a way that is anything but ordinary. Moving on to concreteness. It's essential to make your ideas clear and tangible. Concrete ideas are easier to understand and remember than abstract ones. For example, instead of saying our product improves efficiency, try saying this tool saves you 2 hours of work each week. The fourth principle is credibility. To make your ideas believable, you need to establish trust. Use credible sources, statistics, and real-life examples to back up your claims. The more credible your idea, the more likely people are to accept and act on it. Next, we have emotional. Making your audience care about your ideas is crucial. Appeal to their emotions, whether joy, fear, or compassion. When people feel something, they are more likely to remember your message and share it with others. Finally, stories. The power of storytelling cannot be underestimated. Use narratives to illustrate your ideas, simulate experiences, and inspire action. Stories make your messages relatable and memorable, providing context that helps people connect with your ideas. Now let's discuss the curse of knowledge. Sometimes our expertise can hinder our ability to communicate effectively. It's vital to put yourself in your audience's shoes. Think about how they perceive the information and simplify your explanations accordingly. The Heath brothers recommend applying the success principles in 2 stages. The answer stage, where you develop your idea, and the telling others stage, where you communicate it. Each principle should guide you throughout both stages to ensure your ideas stick. These principles are incredibly versatile. They can be applied across various contexts, from business strategies to teaching methods. By mastering these skills, you'll be able to create ideas that not only resonate but also prompt action. Remember, creating sticky ideas is not just a natural talent, it's a skill that can be learned and improved. By strategically applying these principles, you can effectively guide behavior and differentiate yourself or your organization in today's crowded marketplace. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Made to Stick. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more content on effective communication and impactful ideas. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What sticky idea will you create next?